All right, guys, check it out. You guys requested a Asking My Barbers what setups they're using currently. I did that video a while back. If you guys want to check it out, definitely do so. We're gonna pop out in the shop, see what everybody is using today, see if you guys agree or disagree with what they're using and what they like. So let's hop out there, see what they're talking about. All right, we're here with Levi. Levi, everybody wants to know, what's your go-to right now? What are you using and why?
Got the Rebel or the Boosted. I don't really know why. I bought them and then stuck with them.
And they're blue.
And they're blue. Custom, of course. Got the Rebel trimmers, just because they're crazy.
Crazy. Better than the Sabers?
Yep, better than Sabers.
Shaver, you got good old Babyliss.
Yep.
That was the best on the last video, so still the #1.
Painted, of course. Got the Uno. FreshShears.
Got the Power Mat.
Power Mat,
yeah, so got the old throwback custom FX set that he custom painted, but you say you don't use those anymore, really?
No.
All right, DC, what's your go-to these days? What are you using? You got a ton of, you got more clippers than me.
As far as just clippers?
Clippers, trimmers, shavers, everything.
Still my Ergo.
Who cleaned that for you?
You did.
Is it working well?
Yeah, it is.
Okay.
And trimmers, I don't know. There's a tie between these two, the TPOB and the Coco.
Okay.
You know.
Oh, where'd you get that from?
Just some guy that does YouTube videos.
Hey, perks are working for me. All right, y'all can see he got a heck of a setup. A little bright in here, I apologize, guys. This is a different lens I'm not used to. They got the Cocos, he got the Flex, the Hitter, Slimline. Gosh, you really do use more than I do. All right, next. All right, Uncle Phil, what are we using these days? Is it different than before?
No, JRL gang, sponsor me, send them.
Tag JRL, sponsor.
We got the new Onyx, and then the OG, but we got the fast feed blade. Listen to these things. They're on.
I can't hear him. I can't hear him.
That's 2 clippers at once, right on the mic. Can't even hear them.
That's the one, huh?
Yeah, absolutely, all day long.
Trimmers, shavers?
Shaver stays the same, no joke. Uno for the small kids. I'm still actually gonna go with JRLs. Still quiet as can be. Hitters though.
FX3's over there. Okay, you got a skeleton.
Yeah, tough to beat.
Skeleton.
But
the OG.
I do prefer the OG gold blade.
Yeah, you've been trying to get me to take one off my wall.
Yeah, I'm gonna cop one.
I might hook him up, guys. Should I hook him up with a gold blade?
Sleeper, the Kimmy.
You did a video on that, right?
Yep, with the Andes GTX XL blade. Sleeper right here for value.
All right, y'all go check out this video if you want to see what that thing's about. All right, JT, what's the go-to these days?
Definitely the new Onyx.
Oh, another Onyx. Another Onyx.
Yep.
Trimmer.
I don't really have one I love. It was this, but I busted
the Rebel.
it. Oh, reliable.
Oh, loud boy.
Yeah.
Let's hear that thing real quick. Oh boy. Shaver still.
Yeah, always Babyliss.
Yeah. Got the OG black. You see.
Yeah.
Pretty much the same setup you had before, but add the
I need the new Babyliss trimmers. I want the gold ones.
The gold.
The snap.
All right, big dog.
Yeah.
What we using?
Yeah.
Hey, welcome to the shrine, guys.
Welcome to the new team.
All right, what we got? Oh my God.
These are the clippers of the day. These are my new ones, so I'm only using these right now.
Okay, Cyborg and the, what are they calling that low pro?
I think it's called Rainbow, but we're gonna go Chameleon, you feel me? We're gonna say Chameleon.
You guys see the gold snaps, the gold boost, there's a Saber, there's a Cyborg trimmer.
For the trimmers right now, I gotta go with the gold boost and the Coco for now.
Coco trimmer, so it lives up to the hype.
It's the hype for sure.
And then the gold boost, obviously, you know, Old Faithful. Any skeleton, you can't go wrong.
Yup.
Shaver.
You know, I tried out this single UV, but I think the double might still be better. So maybe I get a double UV, but this one right here still eats.
I just did a video. I got the gold lithium bundle, which is single foil gold UV. It will handle a full haircut.
Yeah. I do like the grips on it though. That alone makes me like it. But if I had the double, it'd probably be way better.
Cover more ground.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just did a video with the single, and like I kept saying, like, you know, I really would rather have the double, but really it was mowing through the hair.
The single's
no
fine.
problem.
Yeah, unless they got that super coarse hair.
Yeah, might need a little double, extra power.
Get that double.
All right, hey, and you're dropping a video soon.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to drop one in the morning.
In the morning.
In the morning though. So if y'all watching that Friday early in the morning, y'all ain't busy, check me out.
All right, Mr. Corded, what we got new over here?
What we got new?
Guys, he's standing in front of the move.
Hold on, you can't look over here.
Yeah. Y'all seen this before. What we got new?
I've actually been making some trays with the world's famous Seancutshair for a couple of clippers.
Yeah. Okay, so what we got?
I'm rocking with the Rebel.
Got you a Rebel.
And the Flex.
What do you think about the Flex?
I really like the Flex.
It's a beast.
I think for beards, underline here, great. Kids, you can put it on, you know, anywhere around here, neck. It's not.
So I think it cuts like the Saber, but people don't like the plastic. What do you think about it being like plastic versus metal?
Like you like talking about just like the durability.
Body itself.
Yeah,
like the Saber's all metal.
This feels more like kind of like a tool. I can maybe see that, maybe like feeling like a little bit.
I liked it. I didn't have a problem with that.
It is really lightweight. I like lightweight clippers, so I like it. But I mean, if you're going all-time hitter,
all right, y'all heard it again.
You got to go
Gold FX.
Gold.
Any of the FXs. What about Shaver? Still the same?
Shaver, I'm using.
You got the Braun?
I'm using Braun Shaver. I'm using Uno for ball fades, like up over the ears.
Yeah,
and
got
tight,
smaller, tighter
tight
spaces.
space.
All right.
And then you know, I got to show you a couple corded clippers over here. You know.
Boy, hey.
So I got the fast feed.
We got the corded fast feed.
Straw, listen to it, humming like a bird.
I don't know about strong, but it's running.
Skeleton. And then this right here is a beast.
Yeah,
it's a Seancutshair special too.
Yeah, he got that from me with the green battery because something happened. That's a long story.
Yeah.
Anyway. All right, Jamie wasn't going to be in here because pretty much all the same setup,
Ain't
right?
nothing changed.
Mr. Ergo, that's what we call him.
Dirty shears.
You got a Mythic over there now.
Now, if you notice, I done wore it out though. This right here is a hand-me-down or hand-me-down, however you want to word it.
Oh yeah,
From your man right there, Markel.
The thumb grip on there.
So you can see the insides in there now. But yeah, for the most part, just keeping it with the Gamma.
So yeah, you like the Ergos.
Still keeping with the
Trimmer,
the OG.
skeleton, and
You know,
shaver. This is your main shaver.
this right here is, and then I use the Uno. You know, keeping it simple. I like this setup for me.
Good.
And it works.
If it ain't broke,
don't fix
it. All right, Mr. Gold himself.
What's going on?
What we using these days? Everybody wanted me to redo the what's your favorite setup video, so here we are.
So we got the Ergos, you know what I'm saying?
Gold Ergo. Y'all seen the gold setup.
I modified them a little bit. What we say? We put the stretch bracket with the what do you call it, homie?
Fusion blade.
With the fusion blade. This is pretty much the all around workhorse, you know what I mean? And then we followed up with the boosted gamma clipper, you know what I mean? These
so what do you think about that? Because that's one that I was obviously like pressing for you to try out. That's
I love these, man. I absolutely love them. A little louder than I would like them to be, but same thing. These two are capable workhorses right here, but that's pretty much the staple for now.
What about trimmers and shaver?
Trimmers?
Yeah.
These can do everything.
So you love those?
Absolutely. Favorite.
Not the whole, that's one that I like so much I would have thought the whole shop would end up with, and there's still only a few, so.
Yeah.
But I mean, I think they're pretty.
I mean, these
pretty
things absolutely can cut anything, bro.
Anything.
You know what I mean?
Balled out, freehand, line up.
Definitely.
And shaver, what you got? You got that Supreme?
Shaver, this is one of the ones you gave me, man. I absolutely love these as well. Yeah. Don't know necessarily the brand Supreme.
Supreme's the brand. I don't know what it's called though.
Okay. But just some simple stuff, you know what I mean? Keep it together.
And you see you got a couple skeletons down here too. So
just to keep it.
Those are always good. Yeah, you need a gold one. Where's the gold skeleton at? Oh, he getting in the graveyard.
Gotta go in the graveyard. Here we
Oh, it ain't.
There you are.
It ain't even gold, guys. Look at that. That might be an original. That needs to be in the Babyliss museum.
For sure.
All right, Tin. All right, B. What we using these days? Everybody wants to know. Oh, another JRL. Man, so different than the last video, guys. Lots of JRLs in the shop these days. You got the trimmer. You got the trimmer too.
The Ergo. Yep, I got them in a kit.
So you got kind
really
of a black and gold deal going on. That's my old black boost set. Those are still good for, you know, a few things.
These are my favorite trimmers still, but these are great for kids.
Yeah.
They're just really quiet.
Babyliss shaver still main one,
absolutely.
go-to. So yeah, nice little setup. You guys see these throughout the shop, but hey, look at all your stuff matching.
I know.
What about the low pro trimmer?
Low pro trimmer.
It's just okay.
It's okay. It's okay. I think that I need to reset that blade and it'd be great, but it's a little bit loud, so I don't use it a lot.
Yeah, they get a little louder.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, guys, so that was the rest of the shop. If you guys ain't been paying attention, you know what I've been using, the new FX1s. Let me see if I can get it to focus on it. FX1 Low Pro with the MIM blade. Look at this blade, guys. I mean, these things are just unreal. One of the things Babyliss says is that this blade is not supposed to get hot. And guys, I've done full fades with it, beard trims as well, felt it, and it's like room temperature. So absolutely a beast of a clipper. I love how it runs. I love how it cuts. Been using the FX1 skeleton, so it looks very similar to your regular skeleton, but but does have the removable battery that comes out. And I have been using the new FX1 shaver as well. A little bit different. Got the handle like a skeleton, the double foil at the top, and the battery comes out on that as well. So all of these interchange batteries. I do have a video on this full set if you guys want to check it out. It's not a full unboxing, but it is me kind of showing the features, using them in some haircuts. Of course, guys, I do still have, you already saw one of them, my custom FX set. And I do still have my custom low pro set as well. Still love these, but I haven't been using them. You guys can see my guy Nate packed my travel bag and he put a big chip in them. So I don't really use them. They're sitting back on my pods. I still got the blue Nicole low pros over here as well and the FX3s. That's my setup right now, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. A lot different than the last video. Leave me some comments down below. If you guys want me to do any other videos like this and go ask my barbers anything, maybe a topic that you guys would love to know some different opinions about, we can do that. So leave me a comment down below. My next client just walked in, so I'm gonna go and make sure you guys check out this video. Catch you next time.